My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to export your ProjectLibre project in PDF form. So guys, if you want to get your project in the form of PDF, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply open and load your project. So if you have a new project, so guys you go for the new, and if you have already a project, simply click the option of open and choose your project and click and open it. Okay, after open guys, here you see there is an option of PDF. So when you click the option of PDF, it asks you to your file name and where you want to save it. So I want to save it on my desktop, so simply choose the desktop and save the option of desktop. Now here you see that my file is saved in the PDF form, and guys here you see this is my project. Now I'm open it in the Chrome, and guys here you check all my data in the PDF. This is my data and this is my charts and graph and this is my file. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.